I'm working as a marketing manager in Zydus. And today our brand Derifylin has been recognized as the most trusted brand. And this is over a 70-year-old brand in the Indian pharma industry, which enjoys trust of all the doctors. When you talk of in terms of units sold, it is the #1 brand in the entire asthma and COPD market. It enjoys the trust of doctors in the length and breadth of the country, and the beauty is the economy that we provide to the patients when it comes to the treatment. And the concept of add-on to inhalers to improve better patient outcome with Derifylin has taken the new turn now. So it is the #1 brand of Zydus with over 200 crores of sale. And when it comes to patients, our mission is to reach 200 million patients in 2025. Thank you so much.
And then tell us about what was the reason that you got the award from?
Sir, please speak louder.
Sure. Hello everyone, I'm Parth Thakkar from Lupin. So this award that we have got from Pro Health Convergence 2024 is for the fastest growing brand in the segment of calcium. So as we all know that 14% of our body is bones and 99% of the bones are calcium. So calcium is a very important aspect as we speak about the wellness of the health, and Corsium as a brand, Lupin as an organization is committed in ensuring that we reach out to every single patient, every HCP in the market, and ensure that everyone knows about the brand and what are the benefits of calcium and how can we change the perception of calcium just as a supplement. Rather, it would be a way to wellness. So thank you so much. Thank you. And we thank once again SIMS Medica and Pro Health Convergence for this award. Thank you.
Okay, so first of all, good evening everybody, and I'm extremely happy to say that PNG Health has received this award in the category of awareness, health awareness to consumers. I would like to reiterate that Procter & Gamble Health is committed to its patients and consumers' health, especially in their nerve care category. And going forwards, we almost intend to kind of keep raising awareness, because nerve health is one category which we believe that consumer awareness is really less. And we would keep doing what we are doing in terms of increasing awareness about the nerve health to the general consumer and patients across India. So thank you very much, and thank you to this conference for recognizing our efforts and providing us the award. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pediatric and adolescents are now getting into diseases and obesity as well. But obesity and not being able to manage your calories or digestion at an early age, when your
Health Convergence
eat and keep weight and burning
how this
calories
idea
is
comes to
something
you and
very
how this the whole concept
tricky.
has come to you?
And why is it
Yeah,
so
so
happening?
Pro Health
As it
Convergence,
has said
the whole
earlier,
concept is very
that
simple.
children
We
or
all know
adults
today that
are
health is at the center stage. Across the world, people are concerned about health, about lifestyle, about the health outcomes. SIMS Medica is one of the leading healthcare communication organizations, and we believe that being in the healthcare, it is our responsibility, and it's important for us to create a platform wherein the diverse specialty stakeholders like the people from pharmaceutical industry, nutraceuticals, the doctors, health and wellness, fitness enthusiasts, they come together to our platform, share their insights, and that is going to help to create a pathway, a journey for making Pro Health a greater success. So we believe these platforms are helping to share and exchange knowledge, and also we are celebrating the success stories of some of the best performance within the health sector. Like you see today, there are 10 awards that we have given for some of the best performances. So we believe it's a healthy complementary platform wherein celebration is there, wherein there is knowledge dissemination, and everybody takes away something with them in every session that we do. And I'm glad this 9th grand edition that today has happened, there is a huge participation from all the delegates. Thanks to all you media partners for coming in and covering this event. And I want to thank my entire team of SIMS who has really helped us to shape up this event successfully. Of course, our clients, without their support, the sponsors and all the panelists, without their support, this wouldn't have been possible. So really great that we thought of this initiative and this has shaped up so well.
Could you tell me about the categories which are the categories
changing the
the award
menus
is,
and
and
canteen
what
menus.
Yeah.
criteria to
That is very, very essential.
In terms of categories, we had in total 5 to 6 major categories like the best, most trusted brand, innovation in therapy leadership, best protein brand. Then we had some breast health impact initiatives. So these were some of the major categories in which we found some amazing players who have done exceptional work, which has created a very good impact on patients and helped to improve the health outcomes. So I think these were some of the categories in which today the awards were given, and we are glad they were well accepted.
thanks a lot.
Yeah. Hello all, I'm Johnny Edwin, the Vice President for IPCA Laboratory Sales and Marketing team. We are thankful to the Pro Health Convergence for this 2024 awards for the Trusted Brand of the Year in the hypertension treatment. That's chlorthalidone, which is a 13-year-old brand now with us, which has created an identity in the field of hypertension treatment. So thank you of you. First of all, I would like to thank Team SIMS for arranging this wonderful evening and creating this platform and considering us worthy for receiving this award. I'm Abhishek Soni. I'm from one of the reputed pharma company of India, that is Mankind Pharma. And I really once again thanks all the Team SIMS and all the people present here for this wonderful evening and considering ourselves worthy for this particular event. So thank you very much.
Congratulations on winning this award. I would like to ask you what this award means to you and how do you plan to continue your work in this?
Yeah, so basically I feel very energetic and very happy to receive this award, and we will keep on doing the good work in terms of the detection of diabetes and education, and that will help a lot of patients to fight diabetes and remain healthy. So that's what is our motto.
Women in India experience 3 times more anxiety and depression than men.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, my name is विजय विक्रम सिंह और बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर आकर प्रो हेल्थ कन्वर्जेंस में. थैंक्स टू अभिषेक, थैंक्स टू अपेक्षित जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया. It was great listening to all the doctors, and it was also wonderful sharing my own experience about positive mindset and its impact on our overall health.
How important is positive thinking for the well-being of a person, physical and mental health?
देखिए, healthy mind stays in a healthy body and vice versa. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोग जो सोच रहे हैं, the thought process has to always be positive. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि that we are ignoring the negative thoughts. It is about awareness. It is about being aware that it's okay to feel negative, it's okay to feel vulnerable, but not holding on to it is the key. So, जितना आप पॉजिटिव रहेंगे माइंड में, उतना ही आप अपनी बॉडी का अच्छे से ख्याल रख पाएंगे.
Mental stress is one of the lifestyle kind of a disease. What is your message to the people how to prevent stress and remain positive at the same time?
जैसा कि मैंने अपने टॉक में भी कहा था कि being positive is also about identifying the vulnerabilities and accepting them. That's one. Secondly, it's very, very important in today's day and age to focus on physical health. Some form of physical movement is important because it directly impacts your mental health. So, अगर स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करना है तो सबसे ज़रूरी है कि अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ पर ध्यान दें. एक्सरसाइज करें because it releases, scientifically also, exercise releases positive hormones in your body and it affects your overall well-being. So stress management का जो मेरा अपना मंत्रा है वो है एक्सरसाइज. पसीने में बहा दो सारा स्ट्रेस.
क्या नहीं करें, क्या बातें नहीं सुने, क्या नहीं करें.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप ये ना करें, मैं किसी को कोई ज्ञान नहीं दे रहा, लेकिन स्ट्रेस में किसी भी तरह के नशे को ना करें. प्लीज़ अवॉइड एनी फॉर्म ऑफ इंटॉक्सिकेशन, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग नेगेटिव और लो.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Introduce yourself and then tell us for what reason you got the award.
Hi, I'm Anuj Chaudhary, AGM with Alkem Nexa Division. I'm the marketing head, and we have won this award for most trusted brand in multivitamins. A to Z is one of the leading brand in India for multivitamins. It is very contemporary formulation. We keep on changing formulation as per the RDA requirement of ICMR guidelines, and it's very relevant brand for today. And all the doctors, including GP, physician, pediatrician, everyone trusts this brand, and that's why we got this achievement, the most trusted brand of multivitamin in India. Thanks for all your support.
The Sheila Plus campaign certainly hit the nail in addressing the women's mental health issue, but helping them to improve the public awareness about it. So,
Hi, I'm Dr. Rupa Shah, and I represent Pan India Mumbai chapter. I'm a chairperson there. PAN stands from Physicians Association for Nutrition. What we are doing is creating awareness about plant-based diet amongst physicians. So a platform like this is completely suitable to us. We would like to promote this knowledge amongst medical doctors and nutritionists. Today's session was very fruitful as people from all walks of life came together, and now we see that more and more nutritionists are also promoting plate which is having more whole food plant-based diet. So in future also I would like to see more such sessions where exchange of information takes place, and we would like to show a way forward where we can prevent the lifestyle related diseases. It's always important to prevent them rather than help reversal. So thank you very much.
And now I would like to call upon again Dr. Ramesh Namburi. Please be here on the stage.
Roll, everybody, rolling. Good action.
Hi, good evening. My name is Dr. Reema. I'm the Director and Group COO for Kydsenia Care. I'm very happy to be here in this very well organized conference.
I would like to ask, what role do you see women like pro-health conversations playing in bridging the gap between research, practice, and public awareness to repeat of wellness in India?
I think going forward, the demand for acute care and doctors has to come down. You know, we have to take care of our health. So pro-health basically means how do we prevent any diseases coming to us? How do we keep ourselves healthy? So I think going forward, that's going to be the future. That how to prevent and prevention and wellness is going to be the future of medicine. Thank you.
Impact on 20,000 plus doctors across the country and strengthen their trust for the brand. For successfully winning the trust of the doctors,
Thank you.
the award for the most trusted brand of the year in multivitamin therapy goes to team Alkem Nexa for their brand A to Z NS+.
Healthy genes will be passed on to the next generation. So the child is born with activated healthy genes. So automatically.
Sir. Center आइए ना. एक वीडियो बना लेते हैं.
1 second. Next up in the category is Innovation in Therapy Leadership. With more than 15 lakh packs being sold till date, the brand has helped lakhs of patients strengthen their immunity and ensure them recover faster. For their product innovation and achieving the leadership, it is ready to bring fluids, electrolytes, and
Very good evening, everyone. I am Rohit Vanmore. I am working as a group product manager in Alkem, and I am feeling very proud to winning this award, the most trusted brand of the year in multivitamin category, A to Z NS+. So we have crossed this brand with the 300 crore mark in the last month itself, and because of all the trust which we have gained from all the doctors across the country. And externally also we are growing by more than 15% and faster than the market, and one of the leading brands of the multivitamin category. Now feeling proud about this award in my hand with me and along with my team. So thank you very much everyone. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank. Identify yourself and tell us what is the award. Okay. So I am Amit Khanna and I am representing Lupin here. Lupin CNS, Mind Next, as well as the Mind Vision division. So first of all, I would like to thank SIMS Medica to acknowledge our efforts in the direction of women's mental health that we are doing. So our campaign Sheeler Plus, for which we got the award, is basically for the women's mental health campaign that we have initiated. Because when we talk about India per se, India females have got lot of stress, and there is lot of stigma that people women particularly come out speaking about their mental health. So this campaign is in a direction, if you see the words she and healer, so she itself is a healer here, where this campaign is getting propelled to the female psychiatrist, and we are catering the women mental health well-being through this campaign. Important is the mental health of women's health and the health of general population today. What is the percentage of going through some kind of mental stress? Right, absolutely. So if we talk about women per se, so women experience 3 times more anxiety and depression if we talk about compared to general population. And then if we talk about Indian households, so Indian households, they don't get that conducive environment to the women. And that is where we identified the need of this campaign, as well as there is a lot of data to support this thing, and a lot of things have been moving in that direction particularly. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
I am Dr. Sunil Khetarpal, Director AHPI, Association of Healthcare Providers India. AHPI is a not-for-profit organization, and we represent majority of private healthcare institutions in the country. We have created 20 functional state chapters, and we work with the government, with the regulatory bodies, and with other stakeholders. We are mainly into advocacy, and we do policy advocacy with the government and stakeholders. We are also into capacity building. And today's event, we are the association partner for this event organized by SIMS Medica. The title of the event is Nutrition and Wellness Pro Health Convergence 2024. This event is about the nutrition and wellness, right from the infancy to pediatrics age group to adolescence to geriatrics age. And there were very eminent speakers who have deliberated on various topics on nutrition and wellness, on pediatric and mainly geriatric health. So I moderated the sessions, 2 sessions. One is on the geriatric health, about the geriatric nutrition and wellness. And another session which was moderated by me was on pediatric nutrition and wellness. So it's very important that we need to inculcate good or healthy eating habits right from the childhood, so that which can have an impact in their later life. And also in geriatrics age group, there are some special needs. They have to be supported. They have to be not only for the nutrition part, but in geriatrics there's various aspects of care, including their mental health, social health are also important. So it is very important that if we want to live a healthy life, so we need to take care of the nutrition and overall health of all the human beings. Thank you.
So what is the message that you would like to give to Indian people who are not affording proper nutrition? So what is the cheap nutrition available to all the people in India that they can definitely take? It is very important for them.
Yeah, see, it is whatever you eat, even whether you can afford or you can't afford, eat healthy. When we say that the vegetarian diet does not have enough protein, which is not correct. So even if you can't afford to have non-vegetarian diet, but you can have pulses, the dal, and even we say peanuts. We say that it's a गरीबों का प्रोटीन कहते हैं हम peanuts को, वो सभी अफोर्ड कर सकता है. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें खाएं और एक बैलेंस डाइट जो आपको fat, carbohydrate, protein and the nutrients and vitamins जो आपके body को चाहिए. I think that we have to educate them. Actually, they are not aware. That's why malnutrition is most of the people, children, they suffer from malnutrition. Some of the children in affluent society, they suffer from obesity, because of the faulty dietary habits. So I think it is because of the lack of awareness. We need to educate them right from the beginning, right at the school level, so that they inculcate good eating habits and prevent the chronic diseases in the later life.
Congratulations on winning the award today.
Thank you.
Could you first introduce yourself? Kites Senior Care. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone there? Come on.
Yeah, I'm Johnny
Can we have a
Edwin.
huge round of applause, everyone?
I work as a...
Yes, this was something we were supposed to kind of discuss with all of you. I'll just try to be as brief as possible. Yeah, thank you so much. So today to talk about
So my name is Rajesh. I'm Vice President Sales for Ride Bite Max Protein products. We are the company who normally sells protein in different forms: bars, cookies, protein chips, peanut butter, protein powders and all. Our objective is to make India protein rich, provide protein snacking at a reasonable price. And for this, we have launched so many products over there and we are getting a good response for this product. Thanks for this.
Myself, Dr. Avola Lakshmaya. I'm a public health specialist working in nutrition field as a farmer scientist in ICMR, NIN National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad.
Sugar till 2 years, actually no sugar beyond that also as much as possible. What steps would you recommend which strategies will help prevent childhood obesity right at the beginning? Children need to
As you discussed previously, so India, we are suffering from triple burden of disease. So one is protein energy malnutrition, that is undernutrition, and second one is micronutrient malnutrition. Third one is NCDs, non-communicable diseases. And recent publications, even Lancet publication also says that 60% of these diseases because of unhealthy diet, eating unhealthy. So the government of India is already recognized the problem of this undernutrition and as well as malnutrition. So in this malnutrition, the government of India is already initiated several nutrition specific programs. One of the program is this Poshan Abhiyan, the ICDS, Integrated Child Development Services is there since several decades to control undernutrition, and also some of the micronutrient supplementation program also started government of India. So one of the things is the IFA tablet. Okay, so iron and folic acid tablet program is there. Vitamin A prophylaxis program also there. Then other several even wholemeal programs also there, especially for NCDs, to control NCDs. So national control program for NCDs and as well as mental illness, this was started in almost 10 years back, but now expanding to all districts. And under this program, important actions are screening of the population for diabetes, hypertension, and also screening and treatment, both together we are doing. Thank you.
Hold it. One of the best clip.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Tell us the importance of the award that is given to you. Does that increase your responsibility now? How do you feel about it?
Yes, we at IPCA have been more pioneering in providing the therapy which is more of evidence-based, and in the therapy where definitely there's such recognitions motivates and inspires us to provide best to the society and to the industry.
Today in India, what is the main challenges that the health and nutrition is lacking, and what are the challenges the population is?
The challenges is, if you see, everybody is aware of things, what has to be done, what has to be practiced is more important. So the more awareness or the making the people to practice things and taking care of their health is what is one of the bigger challenges which everybody should strive and work towards.
One last question, one last message that you would like to give to the people of India, how to manage their diet, what do's and don'ts.
Diet, I think it's more of what you eat, but have an control on it and an exercise and keep yourself fit. That's all. Thank you.